Welcome back to the SDC Knowledge Series. In our previous episode, we explained the theory behind Revit's coordinate system. In episode 30, we move from theory to practice, focusing on linking CAD files, exporting drawings, and avoiding costly alignment mistakes that often happen on live projects. Joining me today is Dilip, our BAME manager at SDC, who ensures model coordination stays accurate across disciplines. Welcome back, Dilip. How does Revit decide which origin to use during CAD export?
Revit exports CAD files using only two reference points, the internal origin or the survey point. Shared coordinates. The project base point is never used during export, which often surprises users. That's why keeping the internal origin stable and close to the model is critical. If the model is far from this point, exports can appear misplaced or extremely distant in AutoCAD.
What's the safest method when linking CAD files into Revit?
For early design and coordination stages, origin to origin is the safest option. It aligns the CAD file directly with Revit's internal origin and avoids unintended rotations or offsets. Shared coordinates should only be used when site data is properly established, verified, and locked. Otherwise, it can create confusion across drawings.
How should multiple Revit models be linked together?
Always link Revit models using origin to origin. This keeps architectural, structural, and MEP models perfectly aligned without drift. In newer Revit versions, the linked project base point and survey point appear in gray, making it easier to visually confirm coordination accuracy.
What's your single most important coordination rule?
Pin everything. Keep the internal origin, project base point, and survey point together and locked. This one habit prevents nearly 90% of coordinate-related issues during linking, exporting, and site coordination.
Revit's coordinate system isn't broken. It simply requires discipline and consistency. Once you master it, linking and exporting become predictable, reliable, and stress-free. Stay tuned for the next episode of the SDC Knowledge Series.